So if you want to make a crazy JUL Morad type beat, then you need to watch this video. So let me start with the melody. I'm using a guitar and I will show you a formula, a minor chord, for example B minor, and I'm going to make it arpeggio. So after you have those chords right here, you duplicate it and go down by 5. Yeah, now I wanna add a offbeat piano, so it gives a bit more of movement. Yeah, let me export this now. So yeah, here we have our melody exported, and I also changed the pitch by pitching up 200 cents, and this is how it sounds like. I wanna make some drums now. And in today's drums, I'm going to use my brand new multi-pack that contains drum kit, loop kit, accent kit, and starters. You can find all this stuff down in the description, and I will give you also a promotional code that you can use at the checkout. I like this kick, first step, and later I will add also some variation to the kick pattern. Yeah, let's add the bass now. Yeah, let's use this one. Down 5. Yeah, maybe I can add a clap like this. Let me show you. Yeah, this sounds mad. So basically those are the drums. Now I'm going to add the effects and arrange the beat. Yeah, maybe I can duplicate this and pitch it down by 1 octave. effects are so hard. Yeah, maybe I can add a kickstart on this impact. Yeah, now I wanna add a low pass filter right here during the pre, like this. So I'm going to cut it like this. So now let me play the final beat for you. Go check this FLP on my Patreon, link is down below. Yeah, so this was a quick tutorial for you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also if you want to download this FLP, it will be available on my Patreon, link is down below. Also go check the multipack, subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram, and see you.